Vibhu, good attack. Good try, good try.
In spite of having the crowd support on the other side, this young man played so well. Good job.
Really great time I had over here. I met a lot of great people and a lot of different players, and this win feels really great. And it wouldn't have been possible without my teammates cheering for me. So it feels really special to win, and doubles title makes it even more special. I played tennis since I was 7, and I've started playing tournaments since I was 10. I won a couple of All India level tournaments as well in the junior circuit, and I've won quite a lot of local tournaments in Bombay. I'm from Bombay. But after my 10th, 11th and 12th, I took a break from tennis, and this is my first individual tournament win. So yeah, it's my first win after 3 years, so it feels great. I reached the finals in one tournament earlier in January.
Semis was really tough for me, and the finals, of course, was tough. But then, however, it was good. Because my mom was the one behind the sport. She forced me to join this, and this is the result. I've been playing good, so this is all because of her. Attending as much as tournaments as I can, and yeah, playing good and improving some of the tennis which I do.